welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Government to restore polluted river Umshirti and Umken. United Even Networks invites vocal talents to perform in Khasi. Former MLA 1983 to 1988 of Soyong Nit Shabong passes away at 84. And grievances of the families in Umkrem heard by the DC office. And now the news in detail. The government of Meghalaya realized the urgent need to revive the clean rivers Umkra, Umshirpi and Umken, since the mentioned rivers are considered to be few of the 45 most polluted rivers in India, data according to the National Green Tribunal NGT. The meeting for the matter was held in Yojana Bhavan Secretariat in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Snyao Bhalang Dhar, Minister of Health A.L. Hek, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, government officials, village communities and the general public. The Chief Minister explained the government's intention to transform the polluted rivers, and he urged and requested the cooperation of the different communities in fulfilling the challenge. He mentioned that the cause that they had strived for will be continued and maintained by future generations. Adding further, he informed that the government had started to prepare programs for cleaning of drains in the coming months and years, and urged the people to avoid the usage of plastic bags and to utilize electric cars as one of the means to health and hygiene. D.P. Walang, Chief Secretary, urged the leaders of different areas, unions and associations and the general public to be far-sighted and genuinely participate for the good cause, since it is going to benefit the health of the common people themselves.
Department of Health ing khot ru ya ki seng bhalang ing khot ki rangba snong senjuk rangba snong but ing don ka jing ya kran mene halor ka jing jabo jongka umkhra barka umshirpi but ru ka umken ti jing kran kare kumno bagila bun ya trelang banwan ra ya jing job halor ban pun khot ya kini gi wa lightly but ha ka ju ko ru ni nagliang government in ai ki support bro ya kini gi traditional bodies, traditional heads, kunki rangba snong nang tai ki environmental group ru ki ko ban long involve the Chief Minister ru la ong ba unsap long ya kane ka climate action plan meeting how nai me eng atrai but katar ko ko we na ki agenda ka ba min hab ya kren hadin tamba immediately ka ba mne ya kren sakang ka umkhra ka umshirpi bar umken but ngala yo ki idea but ki suggestion ki babun na ki dong prepare na ki rangba na ki long committee bawon lang tu meeting but ngi sasna manta ya ka blueprint kumno bangin ya pen ko ya ka umkhra kumno ni pen ko ya ka umshirpi but umken ru ka don kamha namar ba kan dei ka sos jong ka di hadin habor ya ka New Shillong area almost board ba kan impose fines but mental asitio mental collect fine ba ar lak steng lai lak el adan mata the last 10 days kumot mental asposing na do ngilong meeting hangne aka drill tarik u yayong mental snamhi but kajinya kran borbor kare ba shabar municipal area ngelem no murban pen artli kirai ngla sim bakta kadai kabunung kong ba ka department beriben pet ya ka jingle khoj shabar jang municipal area kadai ka PHE department nomor PHE kadai ka public health engineering kamde tang ka drinking water kadai ru ka rural sanitation kan pet ya ka jingle khoj ko shabar jang ka urban area te ka PHE kadai ben pet ya ta but haju ko por ki rangba snang ru meneng lapan i ya ka an ka blasna na district council ba maki ki kam ki ban le but la ai ka board ya ki bigila ban impose fines la dan mano miki long yeng ki ba le aklumar ha kam bari bread ga jabo jaban district council ni ka don kam ha namar ba ka district council ka de ka ba ai board ki ramba snong lamba ka ne ka rules ki blasna house name ar but ya ka tu rules in circulate menne ha ne ka meeting but next camp ba ki ramba snong barka district council kini tri lang lagi
manggaban pun khot bisa
ni khamang pisai ek molong nem don budget ei tamba mentang national ka blueprint nomor ba ka follow up action menta hadin kini ka meeting kini national ka blueprint but hadin national ka blueprint ni sa dan ka indicative budget pengiran ka bisa ka no tama ban khot ya kawa as it is ka NGT ka labo lupa ko basis paklor ka bagi ka ring fence account kemudian kini ka account umla don kam mano na mutak kam lag na mutak ni ka dan em ka dan hi ke jikta nomor ba ka kawan ra da ya ka jikta ya kene ka dam hang thi nomor ba ka jabo jaban khoi kale chitu ka so desilting ka gidan ka man le ka desilting hadin bar khoi itu bar kata ka de ka ba ila ekran menne usiam lakta halo kata handian ba sa hable ya ka di kam dia bar khoi itu bat gidang yet mentai ka jaka ba ladang ile ka desilting ladang i khoi ya ka wa yam ya to ka jabo jaban khoi ni bu hai tingirang
Hoi kung kejelam kita iso sorong ya tadi midon apa partai berlatih tentang village ke ba khoi tam kat mo tam kan khablong la ni yo ila tanganam ba kan di kanong ba khoi tam kita lem ka rai ba mi keding ka rai mo na kaliang ka ni kan keding on na di jadi lam ka rai bong ba ka government tu kan ni trelang hi bat kandon kejing ya tre strop lang namporo kiliang bat drop snong bat government bat department ki boher bat ne kaleng government tu bat hi bakan ai ki rap kat ba kala pan mentap ban penne bat penya chakmat ne kan ni khoi ki kiwa borok lai teli kini kiwa bat apa kesong gatau kujung biru kita hi bat nak kaliang chief minister la ong ba kadang don sekawai pat ko committee ba pek mi halor gani bat la don ru ba suggest nak kaliang di bewan meeting mentan bat dei ban form no ko ko core committee de nak kaliang chief minister ong dei ban ko core committee dei don pat ka sub committee khamtam irang basno wa ido la krensha ha nirungi I kata kibayat bayang narawali da pipet ikiti ki reserve police hantai kejing jabok kejing jaban kabatut nang tu siapa ke school wa indo bat syaka wa mukhrai til datang ini pat ba ka sarkar kentu bangin le khoi bat nakaliang jong ki pat kim le khoi tikam long dia nungkong te kade kata ba ming tentu yo government rupa nungkong ke pechwa yaki lejong ti ngin sia trelang hangni man kadang jong isnong nei tilong ke bola kolor poro ska taru di sim ni kade gajing kit klik pun panya mi pun ko isnong le ngiu khasi kabala long man gasnam ni dei kita bendreu ko ba le khoi la bang stanat hi ban long khoi mereka juga berpuas tentang pat kecing long beriu ni persang ban le ku tang hai jeli lejok nyem perkhat iki wai pat ring kami dengai no long ba.
With the intention to encourage the singing talent in Meghalaya, the Maujam Event Network, in collaboration with the Shillong Entertainment Event Network, invited talented youth to participate in the competition and try the audition on the 17 June 2023 in Susotham Auditorium, Shillong, and the finals will be arranged on the 21st June 2023 at Evening Club Shillong from 1 p.m. onwards. E. Majau, founder and event coordinator of the group, spoke with the media persons and informed that the participants should only perform in Khasi. He also informed that the winner will receive 15,000 cash prize and the second and third place with 10,000 and 5,000 cash prize.
Maujam Event Network. Kadai kawai kekenuan kebagi lah form di senam arca kasau. Juga limban ikam event si repair hagawidai ikam sports dia hagawidai ikam music kumta terter dia hakni ka kejinyak di jungi hanik senam sibur ba program la jule tondai bet sibenta ikun samla jong jela jungi hagawidai ikam repair ke bumut ikam sports ni ikam music ngon pi dia nak jupelong ik program kum hagawidai ki dancing competition singing competition kumta terter dia hakni ka kenti bamenta kejingwan jungi sini ka longba ikwa ban pintip ban wer ki khun samla jong jela jungi hakba ngin sapelong ka wei program ka bande bitik tang nak benta ka jingroi khasi ka bingai kiteng garansan ka jing ko roi te hangni khnyat unchkuni lese kidon ki balai I ngani ka poster namar ban la persang hadi video ba lek la persang ban lut ki social media kuma ka Instagram page nta Facebook nta Twitter di kene program pelukum sibenta ngoi pi bingin amsim di khun samla kin wan shmat ha ga dei wat kene program Dia kumbang la iya kene ka poster kolong ba ya ka audition round ngin pelong po susutam auditorium kamde khat nyong tarik jong bana Jun. Dia nak minta ka final round. Dia hakne ka audition round ngin jiet kumba shpungut. Di kiba syak select shpungut kin selak contest ban rung final round ka banlong haka atwoi tarik bana Jun hapo ka evening club Shillong te po pulis besar. Di nak kaliang kejungi hang bede begini program gila persyang ban wanra i kat bala ya kesong tingka kabahe te hendrai ngimla pa poi syang ta thong na marba kum hang ni por mta shim jing e ngi binyo jingarap de habang ile ini program kanaru ile tang para ngi ni para member si de ban binyo jingarap ka nakalang sarkar ni perkuma terteru ngimpak la banyo ting shubu ya ka prize money kabadai khasan hajar nam tag bujok 10,000 nak bentai bolong bar bat san hajar ka nak benta kibuan balai tinalor kini ru ngin ai bat ringkat ya ki mementos nam tai kinong job nak benta ke Maujam event network ringkat ka Shillong entertainment event network ha kini ka bena jun kini di sebentar ka mengikwa umpusngau bat daily ba kini ngikwa ban khat ban wer sai sien e khul samna jong ka jela ngi gibran ka sap ban rwai kan David tik tang tang jirwai kasi phila ban rwai yak jirwai phito hi dala di ru patahan kham bha shu bat da phi wan phi rwai ko cover su kalong ti tang ni na bunta kan ni jimtep ban kong
Kanu bije mana ngai po.
de yak por kan dei shibaje no khai singi nam ta audition round de nam ta final round kan dei shibaje hi
kadon emba katno kiba katno snap hadu katno snap gilaban contest ne kali open to all bin
de yak ni ka competition mo kan don senam kan dei baik open category baik nisha bat piang subha ya baro nadu ki khun samna competition rang kanuno kerta kam don jikhang kila man ban sibenta ha ni ka competition
ki hab siun registration lane
hoi kumbala omne fi nak ban kong hi lada ngin sushim kum tu ban supen wan ru le si kan sim jing e ngi pin mi pat i julu jing sep ting sushim i jing i ka bai chon kanum he kan tang san spa tingka nam tang ni ka bai decision san spa ni ka marwai bat kindat ni commission kan dei tang na benta ki barai marwai bat armut umur sulu bat duat bat la kenturu makin wanra lagi jong ki tiartem lah de ka kita na kru ka maki pinokam kita tidak wanra idal de kita hidup mentamo i josu ngimpat la ngin ban yetu ni namar ba ngirang ya penkre tinggi kermen ni jos ninyo ni napo na jalan ni ngimpat perkhat na monra na bar namar ba kande tik nam tak tin khasi tinggi kwa i namar po ka jalan ni bun ki nang rai nang tem ngi balak pa tinggi kermen ni ba jikersan joki tinwan ban nirap mingi na benta ni ka platform tin jos sam tak ki nang sim benta tinggal benta par la ban ong mendu ban wan tinggi pat long ready kata tinggi sepentip dah din mendu ban wan ban judge nam tak pura
Tekan kin kanungon ay bi expect kin nani pibo nam ka target bakta katangon ki berban participate.
nak benta ni ban wan ban sim benta ni klembu no ka target mo ni priang subha ya baro namar rang ibu no iki tang shipho ni khabingot lesi kan la ban kan num amin si bat iki wei namar lesi ka jrai ku bang tip kin bun ki ba wan man ni poi hande ka competition tengah kermen ku bang ya le atu senam bal adep ki poi gumban rupo ni fongut yei ti mentau senam ni kermen ba kin wan shahmat kan ni galong kum ka nuksan ka galong koi ka la tang ti bikin yo ban pli ban pedi ka sap ki kidan tengah kermen ba lingba ni competition bang ingin pelong kin wan shahmat Penisi mentahi daka mo da jishir ham bat kumjuru nang ba kanlong kum kala tung ti bat min pen iki kasap ki kidon kan kitiu ki ka ai ba maki kam ki
Nit Shabong, former MLA from Congress Party of Soyong constituency during the years 1983 to 1988, passed away at the age of 84 on the 14th April. Nit Shabong is the father of Osborne Kharjana, candidate preparing to contest in the Soyong elections, which was postponed due to the demise of HDR Lingdo. In the olden times, when Nit Shabong was the MLA, the talks held in the assembly were always meaningful and clear, and his suggestions were considered to be applicable to the society and the people who suffer, since he was a far-sighted intellect. A huge number of roads in villages in Soyong constituency were constructed under his authority and management. He had also contributed to the expansion of roads in Shillong, especially the road through the Don Bosco Technical School, Limkra, Shillong. A couple of families, Mrs. Dianghun Ringsai and Mrs. Kirani from Umkrem, a village to the west of Umngot River, filed a complaint to the Deputy Commissioner Office in Shillong that the Government of India possessed their lands in border areas of Bangladesh by wire fencing the areas without the knowledge and permission of the property owners. They informed that they had lost their fields and what they produce. On the 14th April, the government summoned the families to the DC office to make arrangements for such an issue. It is understood that the concerned families and officers from DC office will examine the lands before any further wire fencing is done and will pass a decision according to the guidance of the law.
Sukar mengkere ke fencing, nrei kecing ketak ya kajaka, apa kajaka juga kesakta, nrei ngaladu ya kajaka, ngasngau apa ngadu ya kajaka, ngasngau bangalak ya lupa, ngamak syuk ban kersian ya kayin ngasem bari ya persa ki ksiu ki pateng ki pakit mah, namarkin ngan bu ngan ai de kejinang lagi start dikira ngamak syuk ban kersian, sistem baladu kabri, marngi ki beim ja hakarep karyang, ki bumdan dawai da ar ban tre ban ketak, nrei apa kasarkar katemu ban simno ya kajaka, kadno ngisngau si mo Henry wala katar Henry persiang ban ya keren nakapor syakapor kanang ba yo lesi ka sarkar kanla ban ker nakaba ngakum mga utra jaka hakajaka ka bangamut ban ker mo kerteng gitu jaka ki jonga ka ban kong ka kerteng ka badan nyo kar ka di sarko ka badan ruyo number pilar main pilar ta khadar nyawai 6S
Manu thai ban bu itu pilar.
Yau pilar ngamtip, namar ba ngamtip manu ban bu namar ba ngi kum kita jaka wat nadu ki metemen bendar mo kim datip manu ba ban bu. Ndrei men swa kat kum ka jing tip bor long ba pilar don hapdeng wa. Ndrei panda ka kelarong. Ndrei ki wan ra sipo bri ko sa.
Ki bonteli gini ki jaka ki ba ka sarkar kat pu ban sim ban fencing
Kebun teli ke jaka ndrei na ong be shelter jong ke border Bangladesh Indian.
dan
Try ki bijing sakta kan ung ki beri try la ki ladon daka hajar ngur.
jaringan tikik
Ngamar kita bepli kitinya ke sarkar. Ndrei ngapan ngasneu ngamting ke sarkar. Ngamar ngaden kami ke hong ngami be cimedan. Banyak keren.
oke di harta ka cukup ke fencing kadang ya ni mana
Minta kadang ya.
kamu ka sarkar kam sim lakan jok tin AP tapi pas dang ke fencing
Jangi kam kun jok tin jangi ke sarkar. Wat iki dak saur ki wan tahi wat yo pilar apa ka karong ki war ahi spo bri dulu. Ndrei jing sia ki seu thu ba kani ke bri kade haban wat trai mo. Ndrei ke sarkar kam tre bon wat trai. Kale de ke bor. Ndrei minta pan apa ke sarkar ke mut ban le kum tu de ke bor. Ndrei ni kum ki trai. Iwan mi sa ke sarkar. Banya kret. Balai pile kum ni.
Hinyotrep National Youth Movement expressed their distress concerning the roster system, which had shook the entire state. Speaking with the media persons on the 14th April, the president of HNYM, Louis Dotdong, vehemently exclaimed that the association is not against the government to effectuate the roster system. However, he made it clear that it should not come into effect from the year 1972. He added that the government should effectuate the roster system only from the year the memorandum was presented, along with the intelligence contributed by the government. Lewis further mentioned that the union does not approve of the Garo demanding the effect of the roster system from the year 1972 because it is a partial act. The government should consider the demographic data between the Khasi and Garo, which is a decisive factor.
Cuman jungi ini kalau ban pau halor ke sukhya ya kenika reception policy ya kaba ke sarkar Meghalaya hadian bakala penbana kala permit ke office memorandum aga spotrik menai dia secara kuat UI ba kala don ke jeki halo na kaliang jong kini ki perlok Garo napok Garo Hills Hakaba kelak penborek sarkar kedai ban pentrekam ya proses sistem nadu kusam khat kena sepak nyokuar Pasang Hinyotrep National Youth Movement ni dah kebasyai ni keran saya cikni perlu Garo bakasang HNYM kan nomla ban accept ikani ka demand jongki bakin baga cut off date jong ka roster system kade manlong untuk kat kena span ni puar nginom pedia ta kabang ikwa menta ngem percaya ga roster handrai kabang ikwa yaki ni perlu garo bikin suthuk kalong ba ka cut off date kade manlong nadu ketika tarik lane kat ba pendek sarkar Meghalaya makani kecing le kecong ki manong ba kila threaten ru da ka baong balada dan ba pentut ya kani ka roster system kin makiru kin le ke badan kam ngiru ngidan nak jong ki pijat kasang achunuayam ru kan yang nak betakan nongrem jong ki kena samla ke jong ni ves ya kani ka reception policy kani ke jingtho ka bangla pen khre nak kaliang kasang boleh ngi snap jar namar bina pen khre kani jingtho nak kaliang jong kasang khana bangla pen shaj per snam ke jong ki samla jong ki ba apply jam ke belanang la start hangne ngi ui ya ke jinglong le siliang khamat ba ke jong partial jong kani ka reception policy ya kabala draft da ka sarkar Meghalaya katkum ka resolution number ke ba PER R/71/61/6/Sispa dated kat R3 January 1972 ya ke ba haswa banyo ya ka state hold ka R3 January kat naspan jupuar lapan urlong kerki ya kani ka reception policy nak betak jingyo nong jeng kini parlok garo William Captain William Sangma tu por udai first minister jong jela Meghalaya te na kataw ke jinglong first minister jong Meghalaya ban kong tam tu por usim kebu dan basna ya kini ki an nak betak jimto jong jat ban rigaro kani kalong partial kani kalong bean beriti sisa te andrai khabdo yawa ngi singap jar bro sikap tu namar ngi iba kadam tang kata ke jing ya keran mo handan tala iba kala adam ke tu ke jing berngam mene ki ong ba lara phim sheme ka cut off date nadu sam khat kanda spat nyu puar ngin le chatang le sta just go ahead we don't care ka jala Meghalaya kamdai tang nam tagi garo ngi kwa equality ka sarkar Meghalaya kadai ban shem ya ka population barisap katkum ka population lara ka jongi ka dan khan reu laksa puar jatam ka population ka bangi ajimot ka yang seng kalong ba lakum no ka reservation ka belong 50 with 30 some 4% ngi dei hok ngi Nidan meta lightly ki autonomous council, ka Garo Hills Autonomous Council, Khasi Hills Autonomous Council, ka Jande Hills Autonomous Council. Larangi kain na kini ki lightly ki autonomous this council ru nilai ilpai jelo partial.
The Federation of Khasi Jante and Garo North Khasi Hills District on the 14th April launched an ambulance in order to render better medical services and assistance to the people. The ambulance was launched by LD Newton Lingdo, General Secretary FKJGP Senkme, in the presence of Elton Cliff Wajri, Vice President FKJGP Senkme, Louis Star Lingdo, President of North Khasi Hills District, Lumlang Maunai, Vice President, Shanlang Dingdo, members and office bearers. Before launching the ambulance, the association offered a prayer to bless the ambulance and the service it will provide. The ultimate intention of the association presenting the ambulance is to serve the people in Ribhoi region who had been longing for a medical service, especially for the underprivileged families who face severe impacts due to the insufficiency of ambulance.
Kabagi yo play the ambulance and then jingu ya kaseng North Khasi Hills District. Kumla ongi ba altan service to people is service to God. Aso bandang kata pada Indonesia ada ka FKHP North Khasi Hills kapanan kam hok ya di ambulance panyarap yang diberi bersama ninja kajing kerhu yang di kesan kajing kerhu yang di dekat mat kinam ngalam pinyo sikat daya wat perlu pat yang di ambulance kum kiwe di ambulance belum ikut kubur ha kini sedang berladap kebelang penban ambulance kapan ya tak awak keliti kanta kan deh kabakang persya ada dan menu penyak dengan ambulans badan menu banyak nang diskemat ada bakang persya ya ki bro adu mendakas ni ane ambulans kali ditek tangan jakaya ha hospital baca cakap balik bu ya ki bereka lain nang ta kajaka bala beletam kan dari setengah po workshop ni aja kasai wat memperkam personal ka wat ai ka kertai pelata hantai ka kertai ka ba kajat priyo kabu akhmat ka kata di FKHP Babi peleran tang ta jing soba jompi ya ka babi pendom makalaya tek ambulance kalau kai pasosi thang kanetli postem KFKHB klien haganong rem kabanyo ya ka burang hamat ki jaga bangiya.
Amidst the fun and enjoyment of teachers and students, the annual sports meet of St. Dominic High Secondary School, Maukandeng concluded on the 14th April. The planned programs were met successfully with few to no hindrances at all. The houses or teams who won in different races received the title of winners and left home with trophies and winning medals, whereas the teams that lost returned home empty-handed with a will to better oneself in the next sports event. Organizers expressed gratitude to all the invitees and the hands who had lended assistance to the success and memorable achievements of the sports meet.
Now for the girls, broad jump. Remember this. Okay. Continue next step. Thank you, Miss. Now for the above under 16. We will start here at half. You know it's good. And the top position goes to Iba Shishashina of Woodhouse. Welcome. May I go to Miss Harry? Go ahead and pick up the prizes now. Go ahead.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.